Welcome to Mobiezy Cable Solutions. This video talks you on how to add or manage customers to your cable network solutions. On the home page of your cable network solutions, click on Menu, click on Forms, and click on Manage Customer. So here you can add or manage customers. So I'll click on Create. So which area is the customer from? Okay, is it are they from Rajajnagar first block or fourth block? So I'll select as first block. So what is the customer ID? So customer ID, depending on how you want to choose, you can key in here. So for example, I will type in as RAJ123. The first name, what is the first name of your customer? I will say Sachin, and the last name is Dev. So what is the phone number? What is the customer's email ID? What is the door number of the customer? So I will type in as 123. So the complete address, which city? The city, state, pin code will be auto-populated based on the area which you have chosen. So once you fill all the general information, scroll down to fill in the additional information. So what type of customer it is? Is it a residential customer or is it a commercial customer? I will say residential customer. If they have given you any agreement as a proof during any cable installation, you can type in the agreement number or any driving license number or any other number. So what is the activation date? I will say today is the activation date, that is 26/8/2018 is the activation date. Now once I add all the required additional information, under the subscription details I need to add set-top box. So click on add set-top box. So initially you will have to choose pack, what type of pack you have. So I will say it's a base pack, and just type in once you select the base pack, you will see what are the list of base packs you have, or if you select add-on pack, you will see what are the list of add-on packs you have under the pack name. So I will select base pack and I will select the pack name as South Super, and I click on add pack. So I can also add the add-on pack for this particular customer. So once I fill in the setup the pack details, I need to fill in the setup box details. So what is the setup box number? So I will give you a number. What is the VC number? I will give a VC number. What is the status of this particular setup box? You want to keep it as active, you want to suspend it. Once the customer is not using it anymore, then you can use this option, or you can disconnect it, or if it's a free box, you can choose it as a free box. I'll choose this as an active. The activation date is today's date, which will be captured automatically from the previous form. The set-top box serial number, you will find it on the set-top box, and what is the model of your set-top box. So once you enter all the details, click on save. So you will get to know what is the subscription summary for this particular user or for this particular customer. So once you add all the details, scroll down further and you can add payments for this particular customer. So what type of payment you are collecting? Is it an installation fee, or is it opening balance, or is it a set-top box fee? So time being, I'll choose it as installation fee. I will say 200 rupees as the installation fee, and I'll just enter the comments as well. Okay, I click on add. Then I have to give the set-top box fee as well. So depending on what type of set-top box it is, you can add the amount here. Click on add. So if there's any other fee you want to add it as part of the payment to your customer, you can add it here. And once you validate, you can verify all the details. Just click on submit towards the end of the form. So you will get a notification, click on yes, and that is how you add a customer. to edit this particular customer, let's say if they have changed the house and all, if you want to edit the customer, under the actions section you can find the red image. Click on this image and you can edit the required information and click on submit. And to go back to your home page, go back to home page. So you can also manage the customers under the quick links section by clicking on manage customer here. Thank you.